My visitor's turned up again. She's just raided the rubbish bags. Oh, God. What are you doing? She's eating the cat, the dog. Oh, bloody hell. Bird food. I've taken her back once. She's a rat bag. Oh, the dairy farm said, oh, just kick her up the arse and tell her to go home. Yeah, I tried that. Can't get my leg up. And I don't think she speaks English. Kiss. Kiss. See? Don't even know your name, do you? You're supposed to be going home. I don't have the right tone of voice. Size of your paws, you are going to be a big bugger. Still no idea what you are, but you're going to be a big bugger. Flea bag. You got fleas? You got fleas? Hmm? Ah, oh, you are a muppet. What am I going to do with you, eh? Can I have to take you back on that bit of string again? No, I can't. My legs hurt.